Hey guys, we just wrapped up running those plastic pieces, but I want to show you the soft jaws I made. I've been waiting to kind of make them, kind of procrastinating it, but they worked out great for this scenario and it really helped me finish these parts out. So I'll take you in the machine, I'll show you them, show you the setup I did, and then I'll kind of walk you through how I made those soft jaws. Alright, so let's get started with the cam. So in order to make the jaws, I imported the solid model from Tormach of their vise. So we're going to isolate and export just one of the jaws. I already exported it, so that's why I'm going to hit no, hit cancel. So right there's the jaw exported, open the file. So now we're going to do inspection on the part to figure out our center distance of the bolts and how far they should be above the bottom. So we'll just do a quick inspection. So right there's a distance between the two holes, so we'll take that, write that note down. It is in metric, so we need to go over and change it to inches, which is real easy. So right there's the center distance. So if the model's ever in a different measurement, just go up to like how I did, go up to the second tab and then click units and change it. So right there's the distance from the center to the bottom, which is going to be over there in the corner for the Y center distance. And then there are the hole sizes. So we have the inner hole and then we have the outer hole, which is the 3/4. So we're going to take all those measurements we have right now, we're going to write them down, and then we're going to open a model and we're going to start creating the stock that I have on hand. So the stock I have on hand is 5 1/8 long. There we go. And then it's 2 1/4 tall. But so then the width of it's 1 1/4 inches. So there we go. So right there's our stock we're going to use. So now we're going to start drawing what those measurements we took. So we're going to draw a circle. So we're going to not go off the edge. We want to go off the center because the stock size can vary. So we're going to change that. I'm going to draw a line in the center. And I'm going to dimension the center of that circle off that line. And it's going to be half of the 3.126. So there we go. And then we're going to dimension it the 811. So right there. And to make it a lot easier, I'm just going to label that real fast. Label that. So right there are the two sizes for the counter bolt and the through hole. So now I'm going to draw a line through the center because I'm just going to do this really easy, and I'm going to turn the mirror command on. So I'm going to mirror those two circles. So there's one mirror, and I'm going to do another mirror and do the two circles on the other side in the middle of the part in X, or in Y I should say. But I'm going to connect these first because these are going to be connected parts, so if I do it now I won't have to do it twice when I mirror it. So I'm doing slots on this part. The one I made, I didn't do slots, I just cut out the intersections. But slots is another great way to make these parts. So right here I'm just verifying that that is what I told it to do. So it's the 811 off the other side. So now we're going to mirror all this geometry. Choose our mirror line, and right there. So now we have both the sketches we need. So we're going to extrude the through holes. We're going to cut them through all of it. We're going to turn the sketch back on so I can reselect my two outer ones, extrude those, and we're going to go probably 5/8 deep. Alright, so now we're turning the sketch off. So now we have a completed soft jaw. So right here is the one I designed. I didn't do slots. I ended up just doing the 4 holes and the 4 counterbores and connected the half circles. So we're going to go off through the cam side of this. So I just put my XY in the center, put my Z on the top, had a drill. It's a 15-30 second, poked holes through it. And then right there's kind of my parameters I set in cam. So my pec depth is 0.2, my RPM 800. So right there's everything for that. So then for the ramp, I ended up just doing kind of conservative ramp. I only did 1 degree. You really could have just went 2 or 3 degrees, especially in aluminum. And most of the material was taken out by the drill already. So I just did a ramp, just make it a little bit easier. I also like doing ramp. I think it's a great tool path. Now on this one, you don't really need to do finish overlap or anything special. It's just a quick and dirty soft jaw. Don't need to make it look pretty, just need to make it work. But surface finishes are important for machinists, so we're going to make it look the best we can. So right there's the simulation. As you can see, it's the exact same like in the previous videos. Drilling the hole and just ramping it out. So right there is the finished jaw, cam and CAD, everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me make those soft jaws. They work out great. They are a great asset to this shop because they're taller, so I can hold on to material better now, especially when I have to put the jaws on the backside of the movable and just keep the one in the stationary. Works great on this plastic job. Really helped out because I was able to lift the part up and actually hold what I needed and not be worried about not holding enough. With stock jaws, there's really only about an 1/8 inch that I can hold. Parallels are an 1/8 inch thick, so that would have just put it way over. It wouldn't have even held the plastic. So me making those really worked out. They're gonna be great. I'm gonna make some more soft jaws so I can have them laying around so I can just grab and go when I need. Great asset to the shop. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you come back for more. And if you haven't already, check out where I make these plastic parts using those soft jaws. Came out really nice. So hopefully you go back and watch that video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. So everyone keep on machining and have fun.